How to make WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Now first thing what you'll have to understand is in order to make a group, you'll have to add one contact at least. You'll need to have another user in order to make the WhatsApp group, right? So what you can do is you can create a dummy account, or you can just add a single account first in order to create the account, as I've done. So you want to tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on new group, and now you can see you'll need to at least add one member. You can add any one member and you can create a group like I've done here. Now in order to add further more contacts into the group, but you don't want to add the contacts to your phone, then what you can do is you can simply tap on the profile of the group, scroll down, and you'll get the option that says invite via link. So you can simply tap on it and you can go ahead and you can share the link. You can copy link, you can share link, you can share the QR code, and you can share it to others, and other users will be able to join through that link to the group without you needing to add their contact onto your phone or having them add manually. So this way you can make WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.